Rodrigo here once again for one more Tableau Prep video, and today I'd like to share with you guys how we work with filter in text and number data in our data source, okay? Let's do it together. So guys, first of all, you have to go to our Tableau Prep, okay? I'm here with the Superstore data source, okay? The sample from Tableau, and I will work from this clean step, okay? From this one, I'm gonna put it, let's add a new clean step. And then we're gonna filter our data here, from here, okay? So first of all, let's check the type of fields that we have over here. So we have number in sale, quantity, profit, discount, and region. Region is not a number, it's a text, ABC. Also state. So let's move on to just select sales and quantity is better. So quantity and state, okay? I'm gonna keep only these two. Guys, from here with these two fields only, let's start filtering quantity, because quantity is a number field, so let's start it from number field, okay? To filter, we just have to move on to these little three dots over here, click once, then filter, then I will show you how to filter with selected values option, okay? Click once. From here, guys, we just have to select the fields that we want to keep and filter, okay? You can filter as much as you want over here in this list. You will see all the data available in our data source. So you just have to select and then click on done over here, okay? Once you click on done, you will see on this left part the filter selected value is applied. So here we have the filter that we applied. So if we click in this little pencil, we can edit this filter, okay? If you want to go back, just click here in the little pencil and then Tableau Prep show the window again, okay? From this part, we can do another kind of filter. Instead, just skip the values that we selected, we can move to exclude this section over here. And once we have this option selected, Tableau will just skip the other values instead those that we are selecting. Okay, when we select it, Tableau exclude the selected values from the data source. Okay, this is the opposite way when we compare with keep only option. Okay, so we have these two options over here. Once we selected if we want to keep or exclude, we can click on done, and then we will see the results over here. Okay, I'm gonna now remove this option from the left side. Click on X symbol. Remove, moving back to the three dots, and instead selected values, let's move on to range of values. Okay, this is the second option that we have. Actually the third one, because we have to keep, exclude, and then range of values that we can use it. From this, we can just select it from a range, the numbers that we want to keep. For example, we want to keep from 5 to 10, for example. I can click over here, or even I can use this little scroll over here to select the values, okay, from left or from to the right. It's up to you, okay? Once you do this, you will see that you click on done, the results over here, and we have also the option to edit over here in the left side, okay? From this point, from this range of values, you can select minimum or maximum, which means that instead a range, we're gonna select the minimum value from the one that Tableau will keep the values from this to above, okay? From this up, all the numbers that we have in our data source, please Tableau considering to keep, okay? If we put it here 10, for example, and I click it, now will be 10 plus, okay? The values that Tableau will select it. And we can use the same structure for maximum, okay? This is the opposite way of minimum, definitely, okay? And once we selected over here, Tableau will keep just, I'm gonna put it 10 again. Now you can see that results will be under 10, okay? Not up 10, okay? The one that we select in minimum will be 10 or up, and this 10 or under. All right, this is the difference between minimum and maximum. But if you wanna work with the minimum and maximum at the same time, you just have to select range as your option. All right, guys, this is how we worked with filters for number fields in Tableau Prep. All right, let's move on to the text now, the state. I'm gonna click on the three dots. Will be the same way, okay, guys, just the options of filters changed a little bit. Okay, let's start from selected values, and the keep only and exclude work as well as the number filter works. Okay, once you select it, Tableau will keep or exclude. It's up to you. Okay, that's how this selected values works in Tableau Prep. So it's the same of number. Okay, I will click on done, but without filter, and then I will move in back to the three dots filter, and I'm gonna show you white card match. Okay, once we selected white card, we can work instead range, minimum or maximum, the option that we have in numbers. We have these four options over here: contains, start with, ends with, and exact match. Contains means, for example, I'm gonna select it Florida, but I wanna work just with O and R. So if I put it O and R here, Tableau Prep will select it on my datas, the ones that match has this structure, or in the word. Okay, as you can see here, I have these filters. When I click it out, I have Florida, Georgia, North Carolina. Okay, why I have it? Because Florida I have here, or Georgia I have here, or, and North I have here, or. Okay, that's why Tableau keeps the ones that contains O and R as option. All right, we can work at the same way of selected values. You can use this contains for keep or to exclude. Okay, it's up to you, the option that you want. Also, guys, we can move on to start with. When I click on start with, you can see automatically there's no value available because or is not a beginning of any word. So let's just erase this part, click out just to Tableau show me, and then I will say that all the words that start with A I wanna keep. Then I can see that now I have Alabama and Arkansas as options. Okay, again, you can work to keep or exclude. It's up to you. Ends with works at the same, but as you can see, there's no case sensitive works in Tableau Prep, so it doesn't matter if you put it on caps or not. Tableau will consider the letter, not the cap. Okay, so when I put it ends with, now I have Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. Why? Because all those 7 words finish ending with a letter. All right, that's how ends works. And we have the fourth option, exact match, which means that Tableau will check on the word. Oh no, sorry. In the word, if we have all the letters, the expression that we put it here. So I will just remove a little bit just to show you. Now I have to say floor. If I say flori, for example, there's no option on exact match. But once I put it Florida, I can see Florida over here. Okay. This why I can see, because I put it exactly the word that I have in my data. Okay, exact match means that you have to use all the structure that you have in order to Tableau match with them. Okay, that's how this part works. All right, I'm gonna put it done over here, then move on to the 3 dots filter. We have the final option here, new values. Once you click it on new values, you can select just the new values from this data or non-new values from this data. This works to exclude, for example, rows, new rows in your data set. You can use this option because we have new values even either on numbers filter or on text filters. Okay, So new values, we have these options in both type of fields. All right, that's how filters works in number and text. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to share this content with anyone that you think will be useful. And please leave the comment down below if you have any doubts or any concern. Doesn't matter, just leave in the comment below and it will be a pleasure to answer you. Okay, that's all for today and see you in the next video. Bye.